Hello friends, good evening all of you. So today we will learn about the indiamart Intermesh Limited account software. So just log in your account profile and just click on dashboard. You can check your dashboard, your inquiries and relevant buy leads. Here you can check recent buy leads. Next one, you can check your product. You can book transport easily for your your product, and you can check product. So just click on product, sorry, you just click on profile firstly. So you can make the profile and edit the profile, make the changes in profile. So you have to mention your company name, your CEO name, business person name. Next one is business address and GST address. Next one is contact info and email, etc. Next one is PAN. So you can check still additional detail, trusted profile and website pages, share catalog. You can share easily your catalog to your buyer. And next one is performance. You can find a performance report. And next one is videos, your so plant, manufacturing plant, etc. Next one is you can check just your product and services. So you can check your product and services here, which services you are were providing. Amazon review services. Next one, the social media blue tick verification services. So increase YouTube channel subscriber services. Next one is YouTube marketing services and Instagram marketing services. Next one is website development services. So you have to mention there your description and which services you are providing. Next one is SEO and digital marketing services and search engine optimization services. So you can just check your product and you can add new product. If you want to add new product and product or services, just click on add product. So next one is a buy lead. So you can check your buy lead. So just 2 days before buy lead, YouTube adds buy lead. So here you can check their buyer details. Remember, since you use 1 year before, so buyer, and so next one is a buyer details. Second buy lead, city specific, global. So this buy lead from Mumbai. This is from Kalyan. So just you can check easily. And if you want to set a location, country wise, so nearby state wise, city wise, you can check set location simply. So if you want to set all location, just click on all location. So next one is photos and documents. So you can easily upload documents and photos. You can easily edit your services, new services can add the in profile. So next one is buyer tools. So just click on buyer tools. You can check your orders, your services. So next one is a setting. You can change setting easily. So next one is a tally on web. You can check tally on web. So next one is a buyer tool. Sorry, a lead manager. So next one is a lead manager. You can check who is your inquiry to you, inquire for your services or products. So next one is exporters. You can export easily from indiamart, export and import. So thanks for watching my videos.